how do you measure the depth of the shallow end when you're measuring for a new pool liner? When you build a pool, it's built by hand, and as such, it's not really like a sidewalk. You'll probably find that the level of your shallow end floor is not consistent throughout your pool. There's probably going to be high points, low points, and perhaps even a discrepancy in the numbers from one side to the other. When you're measuring the shallow end floor depth, you want to measure from the floor to the coping track. It's important that you don't measure to the top of the deck because, of course, the liner doesn't go to the top of the deck. So you measure from the floor to the coping track. And what I would typically do is I will take that measurement in 5 to 10 different places around the shallow end. And what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the shortest measurement. So let's say that the walls are 40 inches and around my shallow end, almost all of the measurements are 40 inches, but in a couple spots, it's 39 and 1/4 inches. So what should I do here? Well, what I would do is I would order the liner so that the shallow end floor is 39 and 1/4 inches, maybe even 1/4 inch less than that. And the reason that I would do that is a vinyl liner has stretch, and when you install it on a warm, sunny day, it will have absolutely zero problem making up a 1/4 inch, a 1/2 inch. Truly, you could make up a lot more than that, but it's not desirable to have your liner under a great deal of stretch from the day that it's first installed. So I might take that highest point measurement of 39 and 1/4 inches and call it maybe 39 inches, something like that. The reason that you have to do this is if I were to order the liner at 40 inches, it's going to fit everywhere in the shallow end except for that spot that's measuring a smaller distance than that. You can have not enough liner, so to speak, and it will stretch into place nicely and without wrinkles and without very much overall strain on the liner. But if you have too much material in any place in your pool, you're going to end up with a wrinkle in that location. It is impossible to lose too much material, and so that's what you're trying to avoid when you're measuring the shallow end depth for your new liner. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.